Great Lakes Case and Cabinet Company is a woman-owned ISO 9001 certified business, headquartered in Edinburgh, Pennsylvania. Since 1985, Great Lakes has been meeting the market demand for high-quality enclosures, racks, and open-frame workstations for the IT and the telecommunications industries. At the various Great Lakes facilities, every employee is dedicated to producing the highest quality products from design to on-site delivery. From custom products to standard enclosures, Great Lakes can provide you with the products you need. The Great Lakes quality process starts at the design stage and progresses through computer program machines to ensure adherence to design specifications. Our new L6 laser system is the fastest 2D laser in the world, with 10 tower shelves holding up to 6,000 pounds of material each. The L6 can cut metal at a rate of up to 1,200 inches per minute. It has a magnetic levitation drive system that has over 2G acceleration and can maintain full speed through turns and corners without the loss of accuracy. Utilizing a FinPower Shear Genius punch system that has a 53-tool 20-station punch turret, is capable of 540 hits per minute. With its right-angle shear, we are able to output parts with a better edge than punched parts. Our Armada King Turret Punch is a 6-shelf automated system for load and unload. This allows for round-the-clock operation. The FinPower C5, like the Shear Genius, has a 20-station turret with up to 53 tools. It has a fully automated load and unload capability. It can process 6,000 pounds of material completely unattended. The Express Bender is a fully automated panel bender. It can produce parts 100 by 60 inches. It can bend sheets with a thickness of up to 11 gauge. It can do a whole array of forms and features, from hem bends to flat folds and radius of any angle. With automated tool changes, it can quickly change from one part to another. It has very fast production cycles and can repeatedly produce parts with a tolerance of 1/2/1000th of an inch. 80% of our panels are produced with this machine. Our robotic press brake uses a 6-axis Motoman robotic arm with a lifting capacity of 300 pounds. It lifts the parts using suction and uses a thickness gauge to make sure it only lifted a single sheet. It then squares the part before feeding it into the press brake. This machine can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once it completes a part, it neatly stacks them and then repeats the process. Our new servo-electric press brake bends parts without the use of any hydraulic rams. This gives us better safety and production accuracy. As part of our quality control procedures, the operators are responsible for first article inspection. Using a dial caliper, this operator is checking a part that he is responsible for at that level of operation. In addition, the Vertec Laser Scanner QC table is also available for first article inspections. Other operations we perform include hardware PIM insertion, multi-head spindle tapping, capacitor discharge welding, and spot welding. We also utilize a robotic MIG welder to weld our bottom plates. This gives us strong welds with incredible accuracy. MIG welding is used in about 90% of the welds on an enclosure. Wire is fed into any area where there are gaps between parts and grinds off easily. Our paint lines have a 5-stage wash system to remove dirt and oil from parts prior to the application of the powder. Our small paint line handles most of our color changes and provides fast turnaround for different colors. Our large paint line handles mostly standard colors and can handle parts up to 98 inches. We have 2 manual operators who coat parts, focusing on the interior corners that are difficult for the automated paint booth to coat completely. As parts enter the automated powder booth, photosensors recognize each size and shape and automatically adjust the guns to fully coat each part. After being powder coated, parts enter the cure-off portion of the oven, where they spend about 30 minutes at 450 degrees to cure the powder. When the parts come out of the oven, the powder is fully cured and they are ready for assembly. Some assembly is done while the parts are still hanging on the line. product comes off the paint line kitted, making them easier to assemble. Parts are then taken off the powder line after a short cool-off period, and final assembly is done. At our Corey warehouse, all of our smaller enclosures are assembled to customers' configurations, inspected, and then shipped. Utilizing a high-lift picker system, parts are stored vertically to maximize space and efficiency. Great Lakes customer service is available to you from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At our Edinboro facility, our larger enclosures are assembled with the customer's accessories. Accessories are installed in the locations you specify in the enclosure at no additional charge and are shipped in 1 to 2 days from receipt of the order. Each cabinet has a unique serial number that allows us to track the model, options, and distributor on each cabinet. All Great Lakes cabinets are listed to the new UL 60950 standard. Each cabinet is inspected twice to ensure it is assembled to the customer's specifications. Each cabinet is shipped on a pallet with reinforced corners and shrink wrapped. When using Great Lakes carriers, we have a 72-hour concealed damage clause. We handle any concealed damages promptly through our carriers. We use clear shrink wrap to help you identify any possible damages that might have occurred during shipping. Every enclosure has a visible packing slip showing all of the parts included with the order. When you receive your cabinet, it is ready for your application. At Great Lakes Case and Cabinet, we make every effort to introduce the quality process in everything we do. It is no wonder that our reputation is growing as the company who is redefining customer satisfaction.